Hey guys, Alex here with another episode of Momentum Charting. Today I want to show you a quick update on Bitcoin and crypto. But before we get into that, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and the bell notification down below. Doing both of those will ensure that you are able to see all of my updates moving forward on Bitcoin, crypto, all your favorite stocks, everything like that. I do a couple videos per day, putting them out regularly now, trying to grow the channel, and hitting the subscribe will make sure that YouTube notifies you when new videos are available. After that, hit the like button. Let's get into the chart here of Bitcoin. So this is going to be a fairly quick video. If you want my full analysis, kind of showing a completely objective look on what I believe is going to happen in Bitcoin and why I do not necessarily believe that we are, like a very popular opinion right now in the Bitcoin space, is that we are in mid-cycle in Bitcoin and we are getting to shoot up here, getting ready to shoot up to between 160 and 300,000 US dollars by the end of the year. Do I think that's going to happen? I am not so sure. Would I like that to happen? 100%, absolutely. I would love for that to happen. I don't think it's going to happen, guys. I go ahead and for my full opinion on Bitcoin, just the title of the video on my channel, I believe, is "Are we Bitcoin? Are we mid-cycle?" I think that's the exact title, Bitcoin, are we mid-cycle? But this will kind of just be giving one more quick glimpse at the what I believe looks to be a very, very bearish setup right now in Bitcoin with a significant downside risk in the near term. So let's dive into this momentum quickly. I'm here in TradingView on the daily chart. I've got this momentum setup that I utilize very effectively in crypto and in stocks. And right now, guys, this momentum indicator is in a horrid position and getting worse. In fact, right now, this momentum indicator is so bad, it is has broken the lows of the December 2018 lows of around 3,000, okay? When we had that huge drop off of about 40 or 50%, and then that was the final capitulation, and then we started working up to this massive bull market since then. But this is the lowest that we have ever been before in crypto. I'm not on the BLX chart right now. I could show that, but that's in my other video, the Are We Mid-Cycle video, for more analysis on that. But believe me here, we are lower than we've ever been on the momentum. And let me dive into this. Not only is this low, but it appears to be headed down, okay? So let me go into a smaller, very significant time frame for this momentum chart, and which is the 3-hour, okay, which I like to use in crypto and gold and silver charts, things that are traded 24 hours a day. So this momentum has been getting absolutely destroyed since mid-February of this year. You can just see this series of lower highs, lower lows, and we now have in place this this downtrend, downsloping downtrend line of momentum in place since May 8th. Had touched here on May 8th, touched again on June 15th, and touched again July 4th, and then July 12th, and it's been working down since. And this, guys, I believe is our last line of support here. Once this breaks, so the first tag point here was the low around June 8th, and it's just been bouncing around since then, kind of going sideways / down. But this is significant, okay? If this continues to show a series of lower highs, and we end up breaking this momentum, this kind of last stand momentum uptrend line to the downside, guys, I don't know exactly what's going to happen in Bitcoin, but I'm expecting some pretty violent and pretty nasty downward momentum to occur, because there's no, you can see here, since this is from May 24th, this is our last stance line of support here, and on a significantly lower setup of momentum. That's just the 3 hour. The daily, again, is just plunging already. But with a daily momentum plunging, and then this 3 hour trend line breaking to the downside with no support zones anywhere to be found in here, this could start getting really, really nasty really quickly. If we were to do something like this, come up and tag this and for another series of lows, and then, guys, this is just basically a warning to be really, really careful over the next into August. It looks like to me August, September, maybe even early October. But for everyone who's just in belief, listening to all the hype channels that YouTube that Bitcoin right now is only mid-cycle. Right now we're getting ready to not only surpass 64,000, but we're headed up to 300,000 in the next couple months. Guys, this is reality, and this is what I like to look at. I don't listen to people's opinions on what I think is going to happen. I don't even listen to what I believe is going to happen. I look at the charts, and this setup sucks. This just plain stinks. And again, if we break this momentum line on the 3 hour to the downside, all bets are off. And I don't know exactly where prices are headed. I've heard people with estimates, 14,000, 17,000, 20,000. I believe potentially all of those are in play. So just be careful, especially if you are levered up here on certain exchanges that allowed you to trade with leverage. I would just be very, 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 very careful over the next couple months with what you're doing. We are showing just consistently lower highs, lower lows, and a last ditch line of support right here coming up. Let's see, it goes to July 18th, and it looks like around July 24th. So another week and change of trading. Maybe sideways, and then break that. Guys, this could get really ugly. Again, just be very, very careful. And Bitcoin is not the only chart that looks like this. Pretty much all the charts of all the crypto are in a similarly just horrendous momentum position. You can see here Ethereum just nosediving. Looks like we're going to come down and at least tag this, if not move lower. Dogecoin, same thing. Doge USD. So let's see here. USD. Same thing, right? And Doge is even just this is just really, really bad. We've already broken on Doge on this consecutive series of lower highs on the momentum. The last ditch effort support trend line here already broken to the downside and working lower. So this does not look good for the crypto space right now, guys. That's just my warning for right now. Just be very, very careful over the next month. See what happens. Again, if you've got open levered positions, I would be just very careful what's going on in the next couple of months with crypto. Thank you for watching. Don't shoot the messenger. I love crypto. Bitcoin is just as much as you, but I just want everyone to be really careful out there. And this is what I'm seeing in the charts right now are lots of warning bells and warning signs in cryptos. Be very careful out there. Guys, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel. All my updates on Bitcoin and crypto, I'm going to keep updating these on a every 2-3 day basis to see when and if that significant momentum line crosses to the downside in Bitcoin, see where we go from there. Again, subscribe to the channel, all my updates. Thank you so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.